Hi, I am the sound engineer for tonight's gig.
Hi, I am the drummer with the Hell Bastards.
You're a five-piece?
Yes, drums, bass, 2 guitars and keyboards and 5 vocal mics, which we must have, although only the lead singer does any singing and the keyboard player just shouts some vague shit at an inappropriate time.
Great. How big is the drum kit?
It's a double kick kit with tom-toms ranging from 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 with 18 and a 20-inch floor toms. And I will insist that you mic up all the drums, including snare top and bottom and the second kick drum, even though I can't play that yet, and in fact all I will play all night is bumtish rubby dooby dub crash bumtish.
Fantastic. We only have a 16-channel desk and you have used 13 of those already.
Not my problem, mate. We cannot do the gig if all my drums are not mic'd up.
But we cannot mic the rest of the band up now. You are not Cozy Powell, so I will tell you what you can have. Kick and snare and 2 overheads. Now go away and learn to play a one up one down kit, you dickhead.